Hello everyone. Till now we have discussed the Coulomb's law of electrostatics, and then we have discussed superposition principle, and we have discussed how we can find out the force on a particular charge when number of charges are present in the system. Until now we have discussed about the point charges. Point charges means when you see the point of observation is lying very far away as compared to the size of the charge. Means any charge is considered to be point when the distance of point of observation from this charge is very large. So this can be considered as point. So when it is point in size, we have discussed all the things for the point charges. Now next topic is we are going to start with continuous charge distributions. So as the name suggests, here we are not talking about the points, we are discussing continuous charge distributions. Means here the charge is distributed on some symmetrical objects. We will consider maybe one rod is there, or maybe some sheet is there, or some volume is there, and charge is continuously distributed. Means we cannot consider that distribution as point. And suppose when a whole of the body is having the continuous distribution of the charges, then how we can find out the different distributions, how we can define different distributions. So there are in your syllabus 3 distributions are there. We'll discuss them. First is linear charge distribution. Here as a name suggesting linear is when charge is distributed along any length, along any line, that may be straight or curved or any shape. When one dimensional distribution of charge is there, that is called linear charge distribution. For example, I am having this line or this any line object, this type of object I am having. If the charge is uniformly distributed over it, so this is linear charge distribution. So here you see, you can take small portion of this length, or sometimes you may be taking whole of the length. So in that case, by distributing or by dividing this particular line segment into different parts, the charge would be different for each line segment. So I want to define here some constant physical quantity which will remain constant for this type of line distribution. And here you see, whatever the portion of the line I am taking, that physical quantity should remain constant. So what I can consider in that case, that is linear charge density. Linear